What do you think in Dubai on Sheikh Zayed Road? What would be the price and rent for 700 to 1000 square feet retail and office spaces? So rather than I speak, I'll show you the real figures for 2 to 3 prominent location in Dubai. So here you can see this location name is Business Bay, and in this location starting offices price from 1.8 million dirham to up to 3 million dirham, and sizes are 800 to 1000 square feet. And you can see also the rent on this same location 140, 145, 150, 130 for 800 to 1000 square feet offices. So now, if you see the retail prices, retail shop prices on Business Bay location, the prices are starting from 2 million dirham to more than 3 million dirham, and the sizes are same 800 to 1000 square feet. And if you talk about the rent for retail spaces on Business Bay, it's more than 200,000, you can see. So now let's come to the second location. The second location will be Dubai Internet City. In this location, as of current date, if you want to buy the same size of office, then the price is more than 3 million dirham. So now come to the third location, downtown Jebel Ali. In this location, if you want to buy the same sizes offices, what I mentioned you before, 800 to 1000 square feet offices, the prices is starting from 1.8 million dirham to more than 3 million dirham. And on this location, office spaces yearly rent is more than 300,000, because on this location, as of now, more than 11,000 companies are operating from here. As you can see on this location, retail prices is starting from more than 4 million dirham, and the sizes are same 800 to 1000 square feet. Even I mentioned you before, 11,000 companies are operating from this location, and out of that 11,000, 500 Fortune global companies also operate from this location. And you can see also the rent for retail shops for the size of 800 to 1000 square feet, which is more than 170,000 dirham. The last location which I showed you on my screen recording, at the same place, front of Life Pharmacy metro station, one project is launched. In this project, they are going to launch 4 towers. Out of these 4 towers, one tower will be commercial, means on that tower, you will get retail spaces and office spaces, where office spaces starting from just 1.2 million dirham with 700 square feet. And retail spaces is starting from 2.5 million dirham, and the size will be 1000 square feet. And there are two payment plan. One is 50-50, means 50% during construction you have to pay, and 50% you have to pay when the property will be ready. At the time of handover, you have to pay that 50%. And the second one is 60% you have to pay during construction, and 40% once the property will be ready at the time of handover. From that time to till next 3 years, you are paying that 40%. If you are looking for the same level of capital appreciation and strong rental income yearly from this commercial spaces, then comment commercial or contact below number, then we will connect.